Hello and welcome to your Python Masterclass with Anaconda. My name is Matthew Dewey, lead instructor at programmingtut.com. I have taught Python programming for 5 years and studied far longer than that. In my experience, Python is an excellent programming language to work with. Not only that, it is one of the best beginner languages as well. If you want to start learning Python, this is the course for you. This first section of the masterclass is comprised of basic lectures that will help you master the fundamentals of Python programming. The next section of the course is the advanced and OOP studies. We learn more advanced methods and functions, eventually moving on to Object Oriented Programming. OOP is one of the essential skills of any programmer. With OOP, you can create your own classes and objects which can be reused to your advantage. If you want to excel at programming and work effectively, you will need OOP. With that said, if you're interested in going from beginner to expert in Python programming, this is the course for you. Don't hesitate to enroll now. See you soon.